So today I'd like to take time and encourage you specifically and ask you quick questions as usual. Have you ever feel rejected in your life? Or you feel that you support someone and then that gets you in troubles? Is that ever happened to you? I'm going to take time and read 2 verses quick and encourage you today. That's okay if you support someone and then you feel pain and sorrow. Do not be afraid of those people who make you feel bad if you especially supporting something or someone. So Mathew, the verse comes from Mathew chapter 8 and it's verse 22, and then also we will read the verse 28. So he says, "And you will be hated by all for my name's sake, but the one who endured to the end will be saved." Now, what kind of that rejection is like in the end will save you? That must be a joyful thing for you and for me, because in the end, you and I know the end. Most of the time, we don't know the end, what will happen in the end. But this is scripture from Jesus telling us that this is something happen in the end. Verse 28, he says, "And do not be fear those who kill the body, but cannot kill the soul. Rather fear him who destroy both soul and body in hell." So primarily you and I need to fear God, not humans. We want to respect human, we want to respect the authority, we want to respect everybody, but we want to fear God. And there is a time need to come say no, and we need to be able to say no, and there is a time need to come that we want to say yes, that we want to be yes, because scripture say yes, yes, and no, no. So I hope this small video will impact your heart, give your heart to God. And if you feeling rejections and you feeling failures, from my heart, I am so sorry for that. And I mean it. And I want you to know that God also sorry for that, people who reject you, but God love you. So God replace all of those rejections with his own love, So be joyful, be grateful because of Jesus, and God love you. Bye.